Hello! At welcome ulit sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Ay, mali. Hindi ito pala natin to kusina. Kusina ni Jai, actually. Nandito tayo sa Balay Jai. Level up, no? Nagba-vlogging tayo. Lumabas tayo sa kusina ni Mrs. O. Nakakakilig kasi in-invite niya tayo today. At meron tayong special chef, no? Talagang third generation ng parang famous na pansitan dito sa Malabon. So, join us as we explore the flavors of Balay Jai. Hi, Chef! Ito si Chef Carlo.
Hello! Official supplier po, Pansit Malabon sa Balay Jai.
Guest chef.
Guest chef po tayo today. Chef Mel.
Sabihin mo saan ka nag-aral?
I actually started yung aking culinary journey, yung professionalizing it sa CCA po. Which is nakakagulat because when I started enrolling sa CCA, wala akong knowledge of Mel about na kayo pala bigyan.
Shout out to Miss Baji and Tita Annie.
Hello po.
So how was it naman so far?
Super fun and very exciting actually. Starting year na 2025 na meron another opportunity of showcasing what Malabon has to offer, especially our Pansit Malabon, of course. And given that I'm the fourth generation na, from Rosie's Pansit Malabon to Mama Belen's Kitchen.
Fourth generation pala. Akala ko third, pinatanda ko si Chef Carlo. But I think sa mga certain generation, kilalang nila yung Rosie's, no? Pansit Malabon. Kasi I think nagkaroon kayo ng branch Ermita, I believe, or Manila.
Yeah, along Ross Boulevard,
yes.
Chef, in front of old DFP.
So, nag-reopen ang Rosie's as Belen's Kitchen. Tatingin naman, Chef, ng ano.
Yeah. So, piniplating natin ngayon po yung two versions of Pansit Malabon. One is yung original noodle.
Yung classic talaga.
The classic one. The other one, yung variety, which is yung tin. Pinong noodles
rice,
naman po.
Still rice
noodles siya. Yes.
Why did you decide to make a thin?
Well, actually, way back before pa, even sa mga lolas ko pa po, meron na talagang thin noodles. Pero, they only serve it dun sa kanilang mga amigas and friends. Tapos pinangregalo. Tapos for meriendas nung mga apo, like kami po. So, na-experience namin. And then, one day sabi ko, ang sarap niya eh. Kasi most especially nga, because it's thin. So, yun nga, there's more
mas maraming sauce.
Yes,
so, I was about to say, I like it. It's mas maraming sauce.
So,
yes.
Sabi ko, sayang naman i-offer natin sa market para ma-experience in the course ng kapwa Malabonians and also yung iba bang nasa market para ma-experience at ma-try nila. Yeah.
And then, baka what else yung ilalagay mo?
So, supposedly, Chef, dapat may gulay. Pero since galing siya sa container, yung gulay medyo na-mix na ng konti. Pero tinatoppings natin siya, of course, with egg. Pero ngayon, yung ginagamit natin na egg ay yung makukuha na natin easily na makuha sa market. Which is Leghorn ba, Chef? So, please don't judge me, Chef.
Yes, the variety.
Yeah, yung variety of egg.
Yes.
Pero dati, traditionally, yung ginagamit sa akin yung duck, itik.
Yes, pero mahirap na ngayon ang back eggs.
Exactly.
Diba? Yes.
So, after that, magtatoppings tayo na, of course, dila ng baboy. Yeah.
Dila pala ng
Yeah,
baboy.
dila ng baboy. Kaya po siya naging, kumbaga parang trademark of Malabon. Because parang only Pansit Malabon lang yung nagtatoppings ng dila ng baboy. Most especially from Rosie's Pansit Malabon back then. So of course, nung nag-continue po kami, in-adapt pa rin namin. Since yung original, kailangan continue po. And then, siguro a few revisions or upgrade dun sa recipe para makasunod siya sa weather natin ngayon. Because of course now may extra mainit or minsan extra cold yung panahon. So kailangan yung food natin
para mas mag-last more than 4 hours.
Sumabay.
Oo. Dati kasi 4 hours lang ang Pansit Malabon. They call it highly perishable.
Totoo siya.
So now you're able to adjust.
Adjust and formulate it. So ngayon naglalast na siya at least a whole day na hindi naka-ref and then 3 to 5 days kahit i-ref. Yeah, minsan
so yung mga taga-Laguna, pwede na mag-order.
Yes,
diba?
we also did nagde-deliver po via mga partner riders natin na nagde-deliver sila directly to Laguna and to Cavite area. Yung mga bungad. Yes,
From
chef.
Malabon to Cavite.
Exactly, chef.
Laguna.
Nadadala natin ang
Ano
price ng
yung
Malabon.
Batangas? Nakarating na ba?
Hindi pa namin na-try. Pero I think, chef, yung mga nag-order sa amin, sila mismo yung nagta-travel ng Pansit Malabon. Going to, yung last nga po namin siya, going to Jakarta, Indonesia pa.
Oh, wow.
Yes, yung sealed ko lang. And then, na-travel niya naman.
If I will buy this, question lang. Kunyari, I will buy this container. Can I put this in the ref? And it will last. Gano'ng katagal sa ref kung i-ref natin?
Well, ako po, I highly suggest na once na i-ref na yung food, kung hindi siya directly i-reheat, dapat once ilabas ng ref, of course, biyahe na.
Correct.
Kasi, syempre,
Yes.
consider pa rin
Okay.
natin yung mga possible
I-reheat
causes
doon na sa venue ng party.
Opo.
Oo.
Yes, ganun po. So, kaya naman at least straight 4 hours, 5 hours, kayang-kaya naman.
Okay. Pag ref siya, will it last 2 weeks? Ganyan, sa ref?
Wala po dun sa, ito po ay galing sa mga client mismo kasi nagsasabi na what they do kasi, nag-order sila isang big bilako and then they divided it into mga small containers.
Yes, small.
Tapos, sinasabay niya, kasi pampagana niya, parang appetizer niya, is Pansit Malabon. So, sinasabay niya before siya mag-lunch, nag-last daw ng 3 weeks.
Good. Pero
Naloka
it's
ako actually.
correct. It's
Yeah.
correct.
Pero kasi
Okay.
on our own experiment, we highly suggest at least a week lang. Kasi nandun lang naman tayo sa location and yung delivery is super dali. At
Okay.
mag-prepare is super dali. At least freshly prepped. Pero, yun nga, sila nagsabi na last for 3 weeks. Pero, yun, positive.
So, I'm
in a
asking
way.
lang kasi minsan, like, meron akong kunyari relatives sa US. So, pwede kong i-freeze, tapos i-pack. You know, papuntang US, naka-freeze, diba?
Kaya siya po.
Kasi alam ko yung ginagawa ko sa kakanin. Sine-freezer ko siya, tapos pinapadala ko. It lasted for 1 month. Pero yun yung kakanin. I never tried with pancit kasi nga yung takot ako yung perishability. But I never tried freezing.
Yeah, siguro, additional concern lang with that, of course, kasi may pork.
Correct, correct.
Very strict sila in terms of yung
Correct, ngayon.
pagpasok ng mga pork and siguro
Yeah.
shrimp, I'm not sure. Pero alam ko pork po medyo may. Pero sa mga Asian pantry, medyo
Nice. I'm so excited to eat.
excited na din po ako. May matry niyo ulit.
Yes!
And this one, chef, yung isa-serve natin, dahil may supply po tayo na talaba, so meron
May
siyang
sisi.
adobong talaba.
Yung maliit.
Yes,
They,
yung
in
adobong talaba.
Bisaya, they call it sisi.
Ah, wow!
Yeah, so in Bisaya.
I learned yung
Iloilo.
today. Opo.
They call it sisi and then
Sisi.
they put it in vinegar and they sell it on the street na nakabote. They call it sisi.
And yun nga po, siguro din sa mga vlogs din na napanood ko, chef, kinakain din siya as fresh.
Yes, kilawin.
Kilawin,
Tawag
dinadip lang
din
nila
sila.
sa suka.
Yes, that's a si Bisaya
Very
girl.
interesting.
Bisaya girl. This is almost like the original Pansit Malabon.
Yeah.
Because the original recipe talaga, may
Meron talaba.
may talaba
Yes.
talaga. Because abundant siya dito sa Malabon.
Totoo siya.
At the time, right? Tapos I think may konting pusit and everything. But talaba ang nawawala na ngayon.
Pero tayo, tinatry natin na i-retain or at least ma-revive pa din yung tradition ng Pansit Malabon na meron noon. At
Correct,
least mapasa
correct.
natin siya to, mapakilala natin siya actually sa mga new generations na this is Pansit Malabon.
It's the real, yes, the
real
authentic
Pansit
one,
Malabon.
yes.
So meron siyang magkakaiba niya from other same rice noodles na medyo kahawig natin.
Correct, correct, yes. Kasi sa labas ng Malabon, tawag na sa kanya ay palapok.
Yes,
diba?
chef.
When you say Pansit Malabon, it's here, but other places, it's
Palabok.
palapok.
Pero kasi chef, palabok is originated from Pampanga.
Yes. I just noticed yung manipis mo na noodles. Do you cut it also? Kasi the thick one, you cut it. This one, do you cut it also?
Actually, hindi siya intentional, chef, na kinakat. So, even yung malalaki, chef, hindi siya intentional na kinakat. Ideally, of course, dapat al dente siya.
Yes.
Pero kasi,
Hindi tayo sanay sa
oo,
ganun.
yung Filipino style, hindi
Yes,
na sanay.
yes.
Although, may mga client tayo na ni-request nila, Carlo, I want a little makunat. Yun, medyo makunat po. So, pinimake namin sila ng a little makunat na noodles.
Okay.
Pero of course, common sa Filipino market, of course, sa panlasang Pinoy, ay mas gusto nila yung mas malambot. Yung po yung ating nakasanayan.
Ako ay like masos.
Yes, siya. Hindi siya intentional na makat, pero medyo malambot na siya as you make it opo. Especially, yung sa amin po, while making it, ang ginagamit namin ay 6 pieces of chopsticks, chef.
Oh,
Yeah.
ang daming kalamansi. Ang mahal na ng kalamansi ngayon. In fair, sobrang mahal ng kalamansi ngayon. Hilig tayo dito. Ito yung pusit from your family, di ba?
Mami Dolores Kitchen.
Oo.
For my family.
Jai.
Hello! Welcome to our kitchen na magulo.
Balay means...
Balay Jai.
Balay means bahay.
Bahay.
Diba? Ay, ito yung ino-order ko dati.
Yes, nasa jar.
Naka-bottle.
Yung nasa jar maliliit, baby puset. Ito, talagang pang-adobo siya. Medyo malalaki.
For those na binigyan ko nung Christmas ng bagoong, sa kanya yun galing.
Yes!
So I order it every Christmas. But this year, nag-request ako, kailangan may spicy.
Ah,
so
yes!
that's why I made, but I'm not
That's
sure,
what
but then,
best.
but I think it was
Yeah.
this year, so I gave the classic and then the spicy. So this year yung request ko, gusto ko ng crunchy. Para iba lang.
Wow!
Parang may konting...
Pa-challenge ang pa-challenge siya, chef,
Three variations of bagoong.
Okay.
But that's what I order from him every Christmas. Pero Jai has so much recipes from their family.
Marami.
Na masarap. So one of them is this. We also order that.
And sa Balay Jai, siguro pag open na talaga tayo, may mga food tayo na hindi kasama dun sa Mami Dolores Kitchen. You know, sa Malabon, ang pesang isda natin, may sausawan.
Yes.
Tahure. May ito, tapos tahure.
Ay, parang sa Zamboanga.
That's sa sausawan.
Yes. Diba?
Sa Malabon.
The fermented tofu.
Tofu.
Correct. Yes. Diba in Zamboanga, there was something
Nawawala
like
na.
that?
So,
Wow,
we will have that here.
Ibe-bake mo ba in salt crust?
Okay,
Tuturo ko sa'yo.
Ang Malabon, napakasimple. Kakain tayo.
But the sauce,
Oh, the sauce is
make
good.
it. But instead of grilling the fish kasi, para hindi ma-overcook, you can create the salt crust. I mean, bake it inside.
Bebake natin.
Yeah, it's actually rock salt, egg white. Basically, it will bubble, it will rise. So, masarap yun.
We have kasola also. Kasola is the pakalaw. Na pag Holy Week sa Malabon, I don't know kung naabutan ni
Hindi na siya
Carlo.
ngayon,
May upo.
Wow.
Dried fish siya, kasi gigisa mo siya sa upo with soup.
Ang industry ni Jai is
Travel.
And
Ito, habit to.
kaya ang dami niyang alam.
I love entertaining people.
I know. Tsaka tumutulong sa community.
Of course! I mean, sa Malabon food especially, gusto ko talaga i-promote.
What's your intention here?
Alam mo yung mga friends natin from Manila, Jai, gusto mo kumain sa Malabon, gusto
So it's a place
It's a place for, yeah.
Kunyari, hindi mo friend. Can they book?
Baka oo naman.
Is it gonna be Messenger
Pri-
Facebook?
Private dining siya, Balay Jai on Facebook. Just look for Balay Jai.
Balay Jai.
We have na Facebook. Dami nga nag-request, ang problema ko, may time. Hindi sa ating tibuko. We'll put that later sa Inihaw, Bohol.
Wow, nice.
Dinosaur egg
And then
salad.
you're going to
The
grate
grill,
it.
just
Yes. Look
So,
at
wala
that
na.
bagoong. See,
Wala ba?
that's why I wanted Jai to say, meron tayong parang crunchy or something kasi yung bagoong niya may buo-buo. When you get bagoong in a jar, you just think it's plain bagoong, but there are many kinds of bagoong.
May taba-taba.
And this one, look, it has actually chunks. So may iba very smooth, like it's all of those small shrimps, diba? So that's why I wanted him to feature it, the spicy. I'm so excited to eat this. So dampalit atsara. Ipapatong ko lang. Pwede mo na siya i-serve ng ganito. Sarap! The dampalit atsara you can also order from Mami Dolores. So I think they have a Facebook page. So that's how I order my bagoong. Comfort food, bagoong. Yay!
Welcome to Balay Jai. Pansit
Wow.
Malabon.
There's two kinds, if you notice. The thick noodles and the thin noodles.
Ah.
Yan yung maliit na oysters na adobo. If you notice, like this pancit, like what I said, yung original nga, no? Or when they say the authentic, meron siyang talaba, which is yung maliit na talaba. Di ba sa Bisaya, tawag sisi? Sa Iloilo ata ba yun? Or Bacolod? And then may shrimp, dila siya na baka. And I just wanted us to try kasi Rosie's talaga, dun sa ninuno pa ni Carlo, 4th generation siya, meron talaga yung manipis na noodles that they reserve for special occasion, for relatives and friends. So, but now, we're tasting the one thinner rice noodles. And of course, yung classic, the one na common na nakikita natin is yung thick noodles. So, bizcocho with, actually, I love bizcocho with coffee. It's the first time I'm trying it actually with cheese pimiento.
Steak please.
Good. Sarap, no? Kasi parang the saltiness of the cheese really went well with the sweetness. So, ito siya. Pwede mo i-order sa Mami Dolores. Ganda ng labeling niya eh. Yung packaging. So, I ordered for Christmas.
inihaw na adobo
Wow.
with asin tibuok.
Why do you say empong adobo?
Because the marinade is just vinegar, garlic, pepper, and salt. That's it. Yung iba, di ba, may mga toyo, kalamansi,
Yes,
7-up. Para sa amin kasi ganyan yung iniwan na. Asin tibuok is from Bohol. Nagugas ako ng kamay, ah. This is dyeing art na sa Bohol. Tibuok. It makes the smoked food better. Grilled fish, grilled pork, grilled seafood, pwede siya. Asin tibuok nasa banga siya or pat palayok. Tapos seawater, iboboil nila ng matagal sa wood fire hanggang maka-create ka ng asin.
Ikaw rin, Chef Carlo, gumawa ng adobong.
Talaga?
Oo.
Yes, chef.
Sarap.
Wow!
This is our family recipe. There you go.
Wow!
Okay, the difference of our unleaded fish,
Yes, and ang dami niyang onion. And with the smoked fish.
pork and fish.
Kung sa ibang place may pork and beans, dito pork and fish. Ang sarap! Yeah!
Dayap and Carabao.
Sarap!
Carabao's milk.
Oh my God, how rich. It's so smooth. There's really hints of dayap after. Siya, talagang pure egg yolk. Wala siya masyadong spaces in between. Pure fat in your mouth. Pure cheese!